Boys, it's finally sunny. It feels amazing outside. Summertime's right around the corner, which means that's road trip season. It's road trip season. I feel like taking my car on a road trip. I want to go somewhere. Yo, Steve.
Oh.
You want to go on a road trip, dude?
Yeah, let's go.
The question is, though, what car do we take on this road trip? Yo, I'm thinking we take this one.
Dude, I don't know. This doesn't even have a passenger seat.
Okay, good point. Okay, what about this one?
I don't know, dude. This one doesn't look too comfortable, and I gotta be honest with you, it's a little ugly.
You take that back.
Doesn't even look like it has AC.
Fair point. All right, this one has AC. I'm pretty sure it works. I think I'm in neutral. Yeah. Yeah, we're good.
Hey man, something doesn't quite feel right.
Dude, I totally farted like a mile back. I'm sorry about that.
That's not what I mean. It's something with the AC. I thought you said it has AC. I don't quite feel it.
Oh, dude. I've got the AC all the way down, and it's just not blowing cold anymore. I could have sworn it was working. The problem is, we're on a road trip. You can't really fix your AC when you're on the road. Actually, I totally just remembered. We can head to O'Reilly's and fix it on the road.
That sounds perfect.
Hot farts are not good.
Yeah, hot farts are gonna kill me.
Let's go, dude. Since you can't really like fully recharge your AC on the road like this, or if you just need something quick to get you there wherever you want to go, we're gonna use this guy right here, AC Pro. This is one of their newer things. Look, it's got Bluetooth. I don't know what that means, but we're about to find out. If you can't tell by this point, this video is dedicated to those of you who might have some troubles with your air conditioning. Now, my disclaimer for this is I have used AC Pro many times. I've loved it. I've loved their products. But a lot of people will say, well, Evan, that's not the correct way to fix your AC. That's not the right way to do it. You should get it fully flushed and whatnot. I don't disagree with you there, but there are circumstances in your life in driving where you're not going to have time to sit there for 4 hours at Joe's Lube Shop to get your car fixed. This has been the best proven way to recharge your AC if you need an AC recharge. Especially if you're in the middle of something, you don't have a bunch of spare time, you're on a road trip. AC Pro is readily available at so many brick and mortar retailers all around you, and it's a super easy and reliable way to get your AC blowing. I'm gonna be showing you how easy and simple it is, even if you're on the road, to use a product like AC Pro. There we go. This one has a Bluetooth in it. Bada bing, bada boom. So let's download the AC Pro app. Let's get cold air back into your vehicle. First, enter the last 6 digits of the UPC number. Continue as Evan. Remove battery tab, done. Turn on and activate the gauge. AC Pro, yes. Okay, connecting. This is actually wild. Oh my God, connection was successful. It was that easy. First step, find the port. Second, measure your AC system. Third, charge it. Okay, here we go. Now, we are connected now. So now that we are connected, I'm going to start the car and turn on the AC. I've got to set my fan to its highest setting and the temperature on its coldest setting. And with recirculation mode on, so full-blown AC mode. She's blowing. The phone literally walks you through it, which is amazing. Even with their simpler units, it's very, very simple. But this one right here, it'll walk you through everything you need to know. But with their extreme conditions, smart charge, they make it insanely Obviously, this car is good. AC's blowing cold, so it makes it insanely easy and walks you through it. If you were to need extra refrigerant in your car, it would walk you through it, but you have a trigger right here to add more if needed. When you're done, and again, make sure you're wearing gloves, proper eye protection. It's a super easy disconnect, and it's like mess free. You don't get Freon anywhere because AC Pro is amazing. In this video's description, I've got a link for you guys to follow if you want to learn anything more about AC Pro. Now, it's super simple. Again, you can go to your local brick and mortar retailers like Walmart, O'Reilly, AutoZone, etc., and you can grab these off of the shelf. They're insanely easy to use and they're very effective. I have been personally using AC Pro along with Steve. Like, Steve has also been using it. I've been personally using it for about 4 or 5 years and I have never had any issues whatsoever. Always a good recharge, and it always lasts and is very effective. So again, a big thank you to AC Pro for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys do me a favor, click the link in the description, learn a little bit more because we love our sponsors. It helps us do amazing things. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you liked the little cringe in the beginning. Have an amazing day. Peace.